Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Welcome to another unboxing of the cat lady box. Today we are doing the October 2023 Crazy Cat Lady box. It's the black cat box. It's the Halloween box, and it's also my last box of this subscription because I did unsubscribe. So today it's Halloween. Happy Halloween. I'm just as Ariel from The Little Mermaid. So I have like my little skirt here, my green skirt that you saw in my Shin video. If you haven't watched, go check it out. And I have my wig from Amazon and everything, the necklace and everything. So I'm super happy with the result. So of course I'm doing my hair with a fork because you have to. So, are you excited for Halloween? I'm super excited just to dress up and go to work and see everyone's face. So, let's do this right away. I just want to point out before we begin that my box arrived with this big hole. So, I really hope everything is okay inside. But it's not the first time that I've received a box that was crushed or something like that, but never like this. So let's open the October Crazy Cat Lady box. This is the last one. I really hope it's a good one. I want to finish on a high. So, I'm always excited to open these, even though in the past few months it has been a little bit disappointing. This is cute. Aww. So the featured cat artist is Margarita Yermolayeva. She was trained in Odessa in Ukraine in the 80s. She's a master at utilizing oils, acrylics, watercolors, and she loves Halloween, animals, architecture. I don't know how you say it in English. And landscape, as well as the surreal and historic. You can find her art at eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. You can write Rita, R-Y-T-A, or Google R-I-Y-T-A art. So I hope it was understandable because my English is not really good today because you know I'm a mermaid. So this is the box. Let's see. Okay, let's start with this because with the t-shirt because it's the first one on top. It's just going to be easier for everything else. So the color is like a sage green. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's really cute. It's like Victorian. This is super cute. I love this. Yeah, good t-shirt. I don't really know like what else to say. The design is super good. It doesn't say anything, which is good. You don't always have to have something, a t-shirt that says something. It says Black Cat Mystique Tee. It's $23. Super soft black cat tee that's elegant, mysterious, and perfectly posh. So I agree, it's super cute. And yeah, I really love the color and I love the design. So good start. Let's continue. We have a little toy here. So, oh, this is cute. This is in the collection of the cats. I don't know where they are, but I had a frog. I don't remember the other one, but it's like these little cats that are dressed up. And this one is like a royal cat. It's super cute. with his little paw and everything. It's a little crown. It says, Pure Royal Highness catnip toy, $7. Dressed to impress this Halloween, our black kitty is royally ready. So it just says royal. It's super, super cute, I think. Nice. That's a good one. Am I missing something? Okay, it was hidden. I was scared for a moment because of the hole. It's this. That's actually kind of cute. What is this? It's a rotten banana. Rotten banana. Oh my god, this is cute. It says rotten banana catnip toy, $5. A banana past its prime for snacking, but perfectly ripe for playtime. This is super cute. Nice. I think the cats are going to love this. So that's cute. The next thing. Wait. Let me see. Okay. We have this. So I think it's bookend. So yes, it's bookends. So you're making noise. Okay, so this is bookends, like I said. The little paws are movable. I don't know if it's for something, but that's cute. That's super cute. I don't have a use for them because I have a lot of books, but they are all stacked up together, so don't really need. But maybe at my work, I could do that. So these are Black Cat bookends, $20. Let us do a Sleek Kitties Guard Your Treasure Tales. So nice. At this point, I feel like the box is really good. So we have this. Oh, it's a mug. Okay, let's open this. This is the last item. The last items of the cat lady box from the subscription. I don't know what I'm saying. The last box. It's the last item from the last box of this subscription box. Sorry. I mean, it's Disney. I have to sing. So this is the little mug. I think it's super cute. I feel like it's a lot of like gothic stuff, which is really, really my vibe. It just says, okay, so the theme is Black Cat's box. So there's no like gothic or Victorian or anything, but I think it's really nice. I really love this mug. Nice. And I have a coffee. Do you see Alice? She's so cute. Oh la la. So the mug, it says Black Cat mug, $20. Dark, dreamy, and the perfect haunted mansion. Jeez. Sometimes they do like play on words with meow or purr or things like that. But now it was really like getting really hard to read. So it says dark, dreamy, and the perfect haunted mansion. So that's why I was what are they trying to say? So this was the last item. I feel like we are ending on a super high note. The black cat box was, I think, super good. I love the bookend, I love the t-shirt, I love the mug, I love the toys. So everything was really good. I'm super happy. I'm happy I'm ending on a good note because, again, the last few months have been so. The September box was really good. This one is really good. Now I want to see the November one. You know what? What I have decided, yes, I did unsubscribe, but if I see a box that I see sneak peeks and I want to have it, I will buy it and open it with you. I'm going to show you these boxes because I think that sometimes they have really, really good things. So maybe sometimes it's worth it, but to have a subscription, like always renewing and having really bad things that you're not going to use, that's what was getting to me, and it's expensive. So maybe that's what I will do. So now I don't really know if I'm gonna subscribe to another box. I haven't decided. I haven't seen anything that was like, oh yeah, I could try this, I could try this. I have seen things, but they are very, very expensive, like $45, $50 for a month. I think it's too expensive. Hey, don't eat the box. What are you doing? Is there something? Oh, she's eating the hole of the box. Don't do this. So anyway, if you like this box, tell me in the comments. Tell me which items was your favorite. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see other videos. Also, don't forget to like this video if you did. Tell me in the comments which box you like. And if you have an idea of what I should do next, if there's a store that you want me to review, or if there's an item that you want me to review, or a subscription or anything, don't be shy. Just write it in the comments. It's gonna be my pleasure to check it out. So I hope you stay safe today. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween again. I hope you have a lot of candy, that you eat popcorn, that you watch some scary movies with your family, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your cats, your dogs, whatever. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.